Hello everybody and welcome to PristineFrog Gaming. My name is PristineFrog, aka Froggo, and today we are going to take a quick and dirty look at Streamlabs Mobile App. Now this will not be an in-depth video of Streamlabs Mobile App. We have previous videos in the past on it. Today we are going to cover some of the updates and just to go over a few quick things as well. So let's get into it and get this done. So if we go over to our Streamlabs app, and you're going to get faced with the sign-in. You can sign in with Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, custom RTP, TikTok, or I don't know what the P is. I forget. Pinterest? I don't know. Anyways, Twitch is what we're going to use. So let's go ahead and sign into our Twitch account. You will not see any of this, or you will. It doesn't matter. So once you do your sign-in bit, you're going to end up at this screen right here. Streamlabs wants access to your account. Streamlabs is reliable. It is good. It's trustworthy. Go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and hit authorize. Now you are here at the main starting screen. You have two options available to you. You can stream your camera or you can stream your phone or your game, your screen. Now it doesn't matter which one you choose in the long run because you can change all of these features later, but we are going to go with share your screen for gaming because I imagine most of us are gamers here. So here we go, and I'm going to click cancel for me. For you, you would say start now. So you will see your screen reflected and zoomed in, infinitely reflected going down into the middle of your screen. Now here at this point, there's not really much you're going to be able to do. Chat is more for the live streamers who are using IRL because it will show you here on the screen. The mute audio, you can come back to this later on while you're in the game to mute your audio real fast depending on what type of phone you have or what type of game you're playing. Flipping camera, of course, flip switch camera is selected, and then event list will pull up all of the events that have happened and let you replay them if somebody subscribed or followed and it missed it. So that's what that will do for you. You can also look at gift subs and giveaways and all that. And then you can also change your volume and spin wheel information. So let's get into the meat of this video here. If I can hit this, there we go. Let's go over here to the top right. You'll see the hamburger, the little 3 bars, hit those, and you will see this. Now, one of the big reasons why I want to do this video today is because of the rewards. Now, this is relatively new for Streamlabs. If we click on rewards here, you can see you can get points for accomplishing things like going live, streaming, getting a viewer, getting 5 viewers, connecting an account, uh, get an alert box, add alert box, go live with YouTube, go all of these items you can get on here. And what does this do to you? Look at this, guys. You can unlock themes. You can unlock multi-streaming, so you can stream to multiple platforms. You have disconnect protection, removing the watermark, so you can get rid of that Streamlabs watermark if you so wish. And forever theme and one times theme and prime discount, which is not here yet, but it should. All right, so now that we looked at that, let's go all the way over here to the stream settings. Now, I cannot emphasize this enough, guys. If you're streaming from your phone, go to your video settings. Okay, even though you can probably do 1080 or 1440 like I can, stay at 720p. Also, 60 FPS is nice, yes, but on a phone, most of the games we're playing, you're not going to need that, but you can if you want, so you can toss on that 60. For the max video bitrate, please, for all that is good in the world, do not do 6,000. I know 6,000 is like the cap or like the usually what everybody goes to, defaults to for streaming. It's going to take up a lot of data on your phone or your Wi-Fi, and it's also going to make it harder for your viewers to watch your content as well. So go ahead and switch that down to 4,500. This is a nice compromise, in my opinion, between the higher quality from the bitrate to allowing more viewers to be able to watch you. Because if you're up there at 6,000, a lot of people are going to have buffering issues. trying to watch you, especially if they are watching on mobile themselves. And if you're streaming from mobile and they're trying to watch on mobile and they can't, it's kind of bad. So go down to 4,500. Um, Personally, I usually stay at 3,500 is where I'm usually at, just because you're not losing much quality on cell phones at that resolution with that bit rate. So 720 at 30 FPS and 3,500 kilobytes per second. Now I stay at 30 FPS because again, it's not that essential, and I play Minecraft and I stream Minecraft, so it's not it's not there's not going to be a big difference in my opinion from what people see when I'm streaming Minecraft at 30 FPS versus 60. Of course, you can leave it at 60 if you so desire. So let's go back out, and there's one other thing that we are going to be looking at today, and that is the advanced settings here, because we need to be able to use the editor. Now, when you come into the editor, sometimes somebody has set up your Streamlabs app and you have the camera and not the screen. This is where you change all that. So if we go to layers in the top right, we can see the two items we have available. We have the alert box and the screen up here at the moment. Now, if you don't have this, it's easy. You just come here, add layer, and you can scroll down and hit share screen down there at the bottom, and you're perfect. So, but there's more things we want to add in here. Now, just because we're on mobile does not mean that you cannot have a proper stream with the stream overlay, and that is why I love this app for Android. If you're on iPhone, you're not as lucky. You're going to have worse time getting overlays and stuff. But here on Android, check it out, guys. Easy. Add a widget in. Let's go ahead and add in our chat box. We want to have our chat box going. So let's move that over here to the corner, right? Now, people watching the stream can see the chat box, and we can also see the chat box in VODs later on. Another thing we want to do is we want to come back to add layer. We're going to add a custom item. We play on SMPs, right? So we're going to add a picture in of one of our SMPs. Which one do we find first? Either Phantom SMP or Bedrock. Uh, this one? This should be the Bedrock or Bust SMP logo. It is. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and move that up there to the top. Actually, yeah. Let's move this up here to the top. We're good right there. Now, sometimes, as you see, this is kind of tricky to move. It doesn't want to move it. It wants to resize it every time. So you might have to finagle it. So there you go. There's that. We're also going to go back to add layer. And let's see, we want to add another widget here. And we want to add the event list. Simple. So we can take this, put it up there in the top right corner. And now we have an event list rolling as well as the chat box over here. We have an event list, which is going to show recent subscribers and whatnot. Now, there's so much stuff you can do on here, guys. We're not going to get into that. We will do another video on everything you can do with this editor. I just wanted to show you the quick and dirty. All right, guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you all very much for coming and watching this. I hope it's helped you out. If it has helped you out, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Help us out here, help the community grow. And if you have any questions or any comments that you feel need to be addressed, please leave them down below in the comments or join the Discord. It's a small Discord, but it's a lovely Discord. And we can get some things solved. We have more videos coming on content creation, so please be on the lookout because it is coming. Have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.